Hey, what is happening YouTube? It's the South African tech YouTuber here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a speed test between the Nokia C10 and the Nokia C20. These are very similar devices. The only difference is that the C20 has an octa-core processor, whereas the C10 has a quad-core processor. Also, before we move on to the speed test, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button as well as that bell notification icon so that you are notified every time I make a new video. So first of all, we're going to start off with switching on the devices. And if we look, the Nokia C20 as shown earlier is on the right hand side and the Nokia C10 on the left hand side. And we can clearly see that the Nokia C20 has beaten the Nokia C10. I have sped up the video slightly, but it was quite a comfortable victory for the Nokia C20. Okay, just one other thing is that I've connected both of these devices to the same Wi-Fi network. They're both on equal brightness, everything is equal, so it is a fair test. Okay, so first of all, let's start off with the phone application. So as we can see, the Nokia C20 is slightly quicker than the C10 when it comes to clicking on the phone application. Just one other thing is also, I've been using the Nokia C10 for a couple of weeks now, and honestly the phone it's super slow, it's laggy and really annoying to use. So I don't think it's not a phone that I would personally recommend. Just even simple things like opening web browsers, etc., is super slow on this phone. Okay, next let's go on to I opened the messaging application as well. That was slightly quicker on the C20, and a little bit of a more demanding application is the Play Store. So as we can see again, the Nokia C20 is slightly faster. I'm just warning you in advance, this is it's going to be a recurring theme in this entire video, but the purpose of this is just to show you how slow actually the Nokia C10 is in comparison to the Nokia C20, and what a big difference the octa-core processor on the C20 makes in comparison to the quad-core processor on the Nokia C10. I mean, the price difference between these two phones are like minimal. It's like about 200 rands, but the performance for that little 200 rands does make a big difference. So definitely, based on my little time with these phones, I would definitely recommend buying the Nokia C20 over the Nokia C10, just solely based on the speed. So as we can see, I've opened the Chrome browser. It was slightly quicker as well on the Nokia C20. Now let's try the YouTube application. So as we can see, the Nokia C20 getting into the YouTube application much quicker than the Nokia C10. I mean, this is what I'm talking about. Just look how slow the Nokia C10 is just taking to open up a simple YouTube application. It's ridiculous, and I've sped this video up a little bit, but it's very, very frustrating to use this phone. So another comfortable victory for the Nokia C20 just by opening the YouTube application. Okay, so next up we have the Gmail application, which is obviously something really important for most of you if you're going to buy any of these devices. Again, it's slightly quicker on the C20, but nothing major. The C10 was relatively quick in this one as well, so not too bad for the Nokia C10 in this test. Then we're going to open IDA 64. It's like a not a benchmark, but it tells you the information about your device. Slightly quicker on the Nokia C20, not a big deal. Next we have the calculator. Again, it's a victory for the Nokia C20 as expected, but nothing to get frustrated about on the Nokia C10. The Nokia C10 was okay. When it comes to these simple applications, the Nokia C10 is able to do the job. It's just when you're opening a little bit of more, intense applications, as we see now, Instagram I'm opening, you'll see it will be a comfortable victory for the Nokia C20. And this is where the frustrations really come into play with the Nokia C10. It's, Instagram. These are not actually complicated applications, and I've sped this video up, like I've said in the start, but very frustrating from the Nokia C10's point of view. Now we're going on to a game. This is a smash hit. Don't expect to play any intense games on the Nokia C10 or the Nokia C20. That's just another warning. Again, with the Nokia, with this test, the Nokia C20 does win it slightly. Okay, so as we can clearly see in the speed test, it's a clear victory for the Nokia C20. as expected. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you liked the video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about the Nokia C10 and the Nokia C20. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.